What is Python? If you are learning data science, data analytics, machine learning, or computer science, Python is one of the most important tools to understand. Welcome to QuickBytes Education. Today's QuickByte is all about Python, explained simply, quickly, and clearly. Let's get started. So, what is Python? Python is a programming language. That means it is a way for humans to give instructions to a computer. But what makes Python special is that it is designed to be easier to read and write than many other programming languages. Instead of writing long, complicated code, Python often lets you write instructions in a way that looks closer to plain English. That is one reason Python is so popular with beginners. It is also one reason Python is used so much in data science. Now, what can Python do? Python can be used to build websites, automate tasks, analyze data, create charts, work with artificial intelligence, build machine learning models, and even make apps and games. But in data science, Python is especially useful because it helps us work with data. A data scientist might use Python to load a dataset, clean messy information, calculate statistics, create graphs, or train a machine learning model. For example, imagine you have a spreadsheet with thousands of rows of sales data. You could look through it manually, but that would take a long time. With Python, you can write code to quickly find totals, averages, trends, missing values, and patterns. That is why Python is such a powerful tool for data analysis. Now, why do data scientists use Python? First, Python is beginner-friendly. The code is easier to read compared to many other programming languages. Second, Python has a huge community. That means there are lots of tutorials, examples, free resources, and people who can help when you get stuck. Third, Python has powerful libraries. A library is a collection of ready-made tools that help you do specific tasks faster. For data science, some of the most popular Python libraries are pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Pandas helps you work with tables of data, kind of like spreadsheets inside Python. NumPy helps you work with numbers and arrays. Matplotlib helps you create charts and graphs. And scikit-learn helps you build machine learning models. So instead of building everything from scratch, data scientists can use Python libraries to work faster and solve real problems. Now let's make this simple. Think of Python like a toolbox. If your data is messy, Python has tools to clean it. If you want to understand patterns, Python has tools to analyze it. If you want to create visuals, Python has tools to graph it. And if you want to build predictions, Python has tools for machine learning. That is why Python is so popular in data science. It helps turn raw data into useful insights. Now, do you need to be a coding expert to start learning Python? No. You can start with the basics. Start by learning variables. A variable is like a labeled container that stores information. Then learn data types, like numbers, text, and true or false values. Next, learn lists, which help store multiple items. Then learn loops, which repeat actions. After that, learn functions, which help organize reusable code. Once you understand those basics, you can start using Python for real data science tasks. For example, you can load a CSV file, view the first few rows, select columns, filter data, sort results, and create a simple chart. That is when Python starts to feel useful. Now, where can beginners use Python? Many beginners start with tools like Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, or a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Jupyter Notebook is popular in data science because it lets you write code, see results, add notes, and create charts all in one place. Google Colab is similar, but it runs in your web browser. That means you can start practicing Python without installing a lot of software. Now, why does Python matter for a data science career? Because many data science jobs use Python. Data analysts, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI professionals often use Python to work with data and build models. But remember, Python is just one tool. It works best when combined with data skills, statistics, problem solving, and communication. A good data scientist does not just write code. A good data scientist uses code to answer questions and explain results clearly. So how should beginners start learning Python? Start small. Do not try to learn every library right away. First, learn basic Python syntax. Then practice with small examples. After that, use Python with simple data sets. Try analyzing movie ratings, sports stats, weather data, product reviews, or personal budget data. The goal is not to memorize everything. The goal is to practice solving problems with code. So let's recap. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language used to give instructions to a computer. In data science, Python helps us collect, clean, analyze, visualize, and model data. Python is popular because it is readable, powerful, flexible, and supported by many useful libraries. Some important Python libraries for data science include pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. And beginners can start by learning variables, data types, lists, loops, functions, and simple dataset projects. In one sentence, Python is a powerful programming language that helps turn data into insights, charts, predictions, and real-world solutions. Like, subscribe, and keep building your knowledge with QuickBytes Education, one quick bite at a time.